Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with a short vowel A. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Bat. B-A-T. Let's spell the word again. B-A-T. Bat. Let's read the sentence. It is a bat. It is a bat. Cat. C-A-T. Let's spell the word one more time. C-A-T. Cat. Let's read the sentence. It is a cat. It is a cat. Fat. F-A-T. Let's spell that again. F-A-T. Fat. Let's read the sentence. It is a fat girl. It is a fat girl. Hat. H-A-T. Let's spell the word again. H-A-T. Hat. Let's read the sentence. It is a hat. It is a hat. Mat. M-A-T. Let's spell that again. M-A-T. Mat. Let's read the sentence. It is a mat. It is a mat. Cam. C-A-M. Let's spell that again. C-A-M. Cam. Let's read the sentence. It is a cam. It is a cam. Ham. H-A-M. Let's spell the word one more time. H-A-M. Ham. Let's read the sentence. It is a ham. It is a ham. Jam. J-A-M. Let's spell that again. J-A-M. A M. Jam. Let's read the sentence. It is a jam. It is a jam. Ram. R A M. Let's spell that again. R A M. Ram. Let's read the sentence. It is a ram. It is a ram. Yam. Y A M. Let's spell the word again. Y A M. Yam. Let's read the sentence. It is a yam. It is a yam. Great work, kids! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.